Hello everyone, nice to see you again. Today I will introduce some advanced functions of Google Drive. Are you ready for this lesson? Let's start it. I will introduce moving, share, and permission setting functions. And the first function I will introduce is moving. We can move data from the folder to the other folder. The steps are as usual. Right-click the data and click Move To. And you will see the rectangle with many options. Click the arrow button, choose the destination, and final step, click here to move. Now your data is moving to other place. Let's see the sample video. Right-click your data and click Move To. And click the arrow button. Choose Test folder and click Move. And we check the test folder now. You can see your data is moved to the test folder. Now it's practice time. You can pause the video and practice. Next, I will introduce the function share. Through this function, we can share our data to others. The first step, also right-click the data and click Share. Second step, enter the user's email address. Last step, click here to transfer. It seems to be a little bit difficult, so let's see the sample video now. Right-click your data and click Share. Type the email address. If someone connects to you through email or Drive often, the system will remember its address name and click Send. And now I open another Google account that I just shared with and keep watch the video. This is the account that I just shared. And check my account. We can see the data is already shared with this account. Now it's practice time. You can pause the video and practice. According to the last function sharing, the advanced technique is setting permission. Before you click Send, see the above button. Click here, and there are three options: Viewer, Commenter, Editor. Because the second one, Commenter, is rare to use, we will introduce the other two options only. And let's see the sample video. We took Viewer first. Change the permission. I change to Viewer and click Send. And now I check the other account the documents shared with. This is another account. And I click the document. And now you just can see the account, but you can't edit this account. And we see Editor now. Right-click and Share. Choose the account I share with and choose Editor. Click Send. And I check the other account I shared with again. This is another account I shared with. And I check the document again. And now I can edit this document now. I can type something in this document. This is editor permission. After knowing about this kind of permissions, you also can ask to the owner to change the permission type. For example, if I have a viewer permission of this document, but I want to have a permission to edit it, just click this button, Request Edit Access, and send it to the owner. After the owner permits the request, you can edit the document now. And this is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to review the lesson today by your own. See you next time. Bye bye.